Electricity is flow of bulk electrons in conductor. An example of electricity is the force that powers a light bulb. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, most of the nation's electricity was generated by natural gas, nuclear energy, and coal in 2020. Electricity is also produced from renewable sources such as wind, hydropower, solar power, biomass, wind, and geothermal. Electricity is an essential part of modern life. People use electricity for lighting, heating, cooling, and refrigeration, and for operating appliances, computers, electronics, machinery, and public transportation systems. Magnetism is the force exerted by magnets when they attract or repel each other. Magnetism is caused by the motion of electric charges. Every substance is made up of tiny units called atoms. Each atom has electrons, particles that carry electric charges. Magnetism and electromagnetism are essentially sides of the same coin because a changing magnetic field creates an electric field and vice versa. Electromagnetism is the branch of physics that deals with the study of electromagnetic force and deals with electricity and magnetism and the interaction between them. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction is a basic law of predicting how a magnetic field will interact with an electric circuit to produce an electromotive force, EMF. This phenomenon is known as electromagnetic induction. Ferromagnetism is very important in industry and modern technology, and is the basis for many electrical and electromechanical devices such as electromagnets, electric motors, generators, transformers, and magnetic storage, for example tape recorders and hard disks. Check our next video, Basic Electronics. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, please do it for enhanced your knowledge. Please like, share, and click on subscribe bell icon. Thank you.